Kickstarter community, welcome to our project, a book we're writing along with a social media campaign called A Little Like Einstein, Rebirth of the Polymath. Recently, a friend and fellow parent saw our 2.5-year-old son in action, discussing the rudiments of particle physics and chemistry. She was floored. She asked that we make a video showing our instructional method, and a few weeks later, our video was being shown on the Huffington Post website, on their Black Voices page, atop their chemistry page, and their physics page, followed by over a dozen news websites across the country. For about a week, our son's story was featured alongside theoretical physicist Dr. Stephen Hawking. And that's when we knew we were onto something special. But given that, we could not have imagined what was next. The deluge of emotional responses. In 3 weeks, we now have more than 250,000 views and a multitude of requests from around the world asking us to also share our method. These requests came from parents, grandparents, teachers, researchers, and the genuinely curious. We feel there's a ready-made audience for this book, which combines the tried and true with something new. But we need your help in finalizing and publishing A Little Like Einstein, Rebirth of the Polymath. As avid readers and lovers of literature, our goal is to produce a beautiful, high-quality book that has the look and feel of something to treasure, while addressing the need to convey complex ideas in easy-to-understand language, complete with diagrams and models. Among the many accolades we received was a thumbs up from NASA on their Facebook page, an email from astrophysicist Dr. Neil deGrasse Tyson, and a wonderful, heartfelt letter from Dr. Derek Pitts, the chief astronomer and planetarium director at the Franklin Institute Science Museum. His letter is as follows. Hello, Romanio. I was deeply impressed by what you've accomplished with your son. It brilliantly illustrates what we can do for children if we try. I would love to see the effect your method has on a larger group of children. What Tyson meant about children being born as scientists is that all children are born wildly curious about everything in the world. Some of us manage to hold on to our curiosity despite the issues we face in the current mainstream educational system. Some train and focus their deep curiosity into a disciplined tool that can be used to see and define order in the seeming chaos of the universe. These are the people we call scientists today. Benjamin Franklin never lost his curiosity. Neither did Newton, the Curies, Carver, Feynman, Einstein, Rees, or Hawking. If we can educate more children without extinguishing the flames of curiosity and ability, as you've demonstrated so elegantly, we can raise children with much greater scientific literacy. Signed, Derek H. Pitts, Chief Astronomer, the Franklin Institute Science Museum. Finally, given the nature of our current educational system and the gaps that exist from coast to coast, we hope to empower parents when at a time technologically we can do more than ever before. Our slogan, We equals MC squared, our energy, we the masses, our light, applies to all. And that's our project. A Little Like Einstein. Help us give rise to the next generation of big thinkers, polymaths. And if you do, you will own a piece of history and be able to say to the world that you helped to make it happen. Thank you for your consideration. And thank you for listening.